I'll be real. I'll be really real with you right now.
I forgot what
I
you do.
don't remember what you do in Myrtles.
Myrtle. I also heard Myrtle.
Myrtle, Soul, whatever. I don't remember what you actually do in the
Myrtle Soul.
Okay.
Roundabout, first exit.
Fucking hell!
We've made a lot of money in the last 10 years. People that we've interacted with, we know.
Is that
Craig's one of them.
Craig's one of them.
Look at his new shoes.
Amount of money in a short time.
Now.
Obviously, like getting a huge windfall all of a sudden changes your life instantly.
Porn pass.
Porn pass.
I reckon it's going to be like those sites that they black.
It's something they tattoo on your forehead.
Oh,
I've got a
yeah.
porn pass.
Yeah, an Oyster card.
Fuck you. I've got one.
Oh, there's my porn pass.
74 towards Bath.
Yeah,
But
porn pass code.
so the porn pass thing, right?
Okay, see that's scary.
Yeah, it takes place in the 1950s in Romania, and it's like, wow, this
bad things happen.
This church is
After 200 yards,
what
cross the
fuck's
roundabout,
happening?
second exit,
Send someone to
Temple Street.
Fucking bitch. Oh my god, he's. What the fuck? No, we're gonna save that.
Yeah.
That's going on my YouTube.
Oh no, is it going to have my voice on it?
I can
Bristol Road. Cross the roundabout, first exit, then you have reached your destination.